Hey, what's up guys? Houston McMiller here, and I want to welcome you to the first video. Now, in this video, we're actually going to be talking about the secret code to getting up to $100,000 in funding, all right? Now, what you're going to understand about this here code, this is the number one reason, it has nothing to do with your personal credit, that a lot of entrepreneurs and small business owners, they end up getting denied. Now, what I'm going to teach you, I promise you, once you understand this, you will never have to worry about this 6-digit NAICS code keeping you from getting funding. So let's jump into it. If you know your NAICS code, this is very important. NAICS code. This code here can stop you from getting funding. It doesn't matter what your personal credit is. You can have an 850 credit score, but if you have a bad NAICS code, you can get denied. That's right. You can get denied. And it's funny because a lot of people, they would go to the bank and they would apply for a loan, and then they may get an email or a letter that tells them, hey, we can't open up your business bank account, or we can't loan you money. And you're wondering, well, why? I have great credit, right? My business is profitable. Why can't you? Well, the thing about it, you may have a high-risk NAICS code, all right? And I'm going to actually show you how to fix it, all right? Because this is very important, and a lot of people are not aware of it. Like I said, a lot of, when you go to the banks, the branch managers and things of that nature, if they don't understand the underwriting process, it can really put you in a bad situation, all right? So that being said, look at it like this. What would be some of my high-risk NAICS code? Well, one, you have like CBD oil, right? CBD oil, marijuana. If you're in that industry, this is a high-risk NAICS code. Then you may have real estate investing. Real estate investing is a high-risk NAICS code. Now, we're going to come back to this because I want to really hum in on this one, all right? Number 3, credit repair. These days, a lot of people are professional credit repairers, right? They don't know the laws, but they are professionals at credit repair. And so they are making millions of dollars doing credit repair and stuff, but they don't know how to fix their own credit. So credit repair is a high risk. Number 4, money lending. If you're into money lending, this is a high risk NAICS code. Number 5, ATM. You know how you go to like a 7-Eleven or you go into an event, you see an ATM set up and stuff. An ATM business, you think, like, wow, they make a lot of money. Well, actually, the profitability with ATM machines is very small, all right? And another reason a lot of lenders do not want to touch ATMs because of money laundering. So that's the reason why ATMs is a high-risk NAICS code. 6, MLM, multi-level marketing. A lot of financial institutions, as well as the SBA, they do not look at MLMs as a business model, okay? And so because of that, this is a high-risk NAICS code, all right? Now, let's go back to this real estate. Oh, here's one more. Let me help you. Restaurant. Okay? So with restaurant, many of us know with the restaurant business, most restaurants, they end up failing within the first 9 to 12 months. And because they fail so quickly, a lot of lenders don't touch them. So 90% of restaurants have a higher failure rate, usually within the first 3 to 5 years. Many of them don't survive the first 9 to 12 months, okay? So how do you fix this? How do you actually fix this? Well, there is a way to fix it, but first I want to talk about this here. Real estate investing. And I want to give you this scenario so you can understand why this is so important. You are a realtor, right? You decide you want to get into real estate investing because you've seen an opportunity of a great deal. Now you have great credit. You know that, hey, this is a opportunity for me to take advantage of, to be able to get into the markets and everything. So you'll go and you'll set up your company, you'll structure your company, and we're going to talk about that in the next video. But the thing about it is that when you structure your company, all right, now this also can affect you getting the funding. But the big thing about it, when you set up your company, you put the word real estate, investing, in the name of your business, okay? It automatically flags the system that you are high risk because it looks like you're gambling with their money, all right? So that's the reason why you do not want to do this. You have to be very careful. Now, in terms of, can you add on another type of NAICS code? So giving you, since these are your bad NAICS code, so what would be something that's complementary to this, okay? So with the CBD oil, if CBD oil, marijuana and stuff like that, then you probably want to look at maybe like holistic supplies or something like that, right? Dealing with holistic healing, holistic supplies and stuff like that, right? So number 2, real estate investing. So you don't want to do real estate investing. You want to do something like property maintenance or something like that. You want to do something that correlates with what you're doing, but not directly in terms of what it is. Now, in terms of credit repair, you want to do document prep. So with document prep, it can be anything, right? So that's the reason that you want that. Money lending, all right? So with money lending, this is a very tricky one. Again, because it's high risk. It's just money lending, money laundering and stuff like that. The ATM business, those are your high risk. Now, one of them that you may like, restaurants would be like food distribution, right? So with restaurants, you can do food distribution, right? Wholesale food distribution, something like that. But you don't want to do it under restaurant. Now, with MLM, and basically with MLMs, because you're bringing in a lot of people and stuff like that, you probably, I want to say like event planning or something like that may be helpful, but you have to be very careful in terms of MLM. Now, I do have different lenders that'll help you. And like I said, I'll be sharing some of those lenders and stuff in this video series as well, all right? Now, what I want to do next is I want to send you over to the next video. All right, so the next video, we're going to be talking about choosing the right business structure, okay? Because that's very important, and a lot of people miss out on the opportunity of getting funding because they may be in the wrong business structure. By the way, if you guys are needing help with choosing the right business name or NAICS code for your business, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. See you in the next video.